Hi. This video demonstrates the step-by-step process for building dashboards in Tableau Desktop. First, connect to the data you'll be using. Once it's available in Tableau Desktop, create charts by building one or more sheets. Next, create a dashboard using these sheets. Finally, publish your work, typically to Tableau Server, but in our case, we'll be publishing to Tableau Public. To complete this module, you'll need three tools: Tableau Desktop, a Tableau Public account, and one dataset. For this example, we're using an Excel available on Avenue that contains the data. Open Tableau Desktop and navigate to Data and select New Data Source. In the Connect window, choose Microsoft Excel to open your file using the Open window. You can select any file with some data. For this exercise, I will use the file polygons.xlsx. Once the connection is set, your spreadsheet name will show under Connections. The list of sheets in your Excel workbook will show under Sheets. Select the Sales sheet and drag it over to the Dataset canvas on right. At the bottom of this section, check the fields of the dataset and a few of its records. Finally, set the connection to Extract. This is needed for two reasons. Allows Tableau Desktop incorporate the dataset in a packaged workbook with TBWX extension. For publishing into Tableau Public, only extract connections are allowed. Live connections produce an error message at publishing time. Creating charts starts by understanding your datasets and the data in them. To start, let's create a worksheet. Click on the New Worksheet icon, and a new sheet will be created. For me, the name of the new sheet is Sheet 2. Tableau selects the newly created sheet and shows the fields from our sales datasets under the Data tab. Let's now select Sheet 2 and create a bar chart by dragging the fields Category and Sales AMT to rows and calls. Tableau creates a bar chart with these two fields from our dataset. We are now ready to create our dashboard with our bar chart. Select the New Dashboard option and a dashboard named Dashboard 1 will be created. Next step, we are adding the bar chart to our newly created dashboard. Let's now add the sheet with the bar chart to the dashboard. Upon selection of Dashboard 1, drag Sheet 2 from the Sheets section on left to the dashboard canvas. This action will add the sheet to the dashboard. At this point, your dashboard is ready to publish. Now it is time to share the dashboard with your audience. Publishing options are on the top menu under Server. Publish to Tableau Public, selecting Server from the main menu, and then save to Tableau Public as Sign into Tableau Public, and then provide a name for your dashboard on Tableau Public. Tableau Desktop now opens Tableau Public to show your newly published dashboard. Congrats! You just created your first dashboard and published it to Tableau Public to later share with your audience. We followed the following steps: 1. Connect to data. 2. Create charts. 3. Create a dashboard W/charts and publish.